What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So right now I am at Dallas's, and look, if you guys watched the last video, I said he had a Sequoia. This is his whip, yo. And oh yeah, and then Dallas just got his car painted. Oh my god, that's hot in here, bro. Fuck. And it's right there, but you guys saw the videos in the beginning. So just a reminder, there is a drift event in 2 weeks on the 23rd. So don't forget to come through and vibe with us. Right, Hoffman?
Yeah. Oh, my shit got cut off.
We got a new head unit too. I can't see it. Oh my god, look at Gus's photo. So yeah, Dallas just recently got his car painted probably like a week ago or 2 weeks ago.
You wanna touch me?
God damn! See my tow rig. But there she is, brothers. If you guys want to see her in person, come to the event on the 23rd. But right now,
to see that thing.
what are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, I just stabbed myself in the eye.
We just got back from Gus's, and I wanted to talk to you about Hoffman's car. He recently got it painted by our homie Ricky about like 2-3 weeks ago. The only thing he said was that it's not as shiny as you can see, like as in like clear coat wise and like mirror finish. But I mean, it's not bad. And Dallas just wanted a different color, and this time he chose like a little brighter color. So the plan is for all me, Gus, and Dallas to have the same color, so when we're drifting, we all look the same, you know. So I don't know when I'm gonna paint my car this color, and I honestly just love black. But yeah, he got a new I think this is Duraflex kit, so it's a BN rep. And he also got his other kits painted, but it looks super nice. He turned his intercooler the other way, so it's all showing, but it's really nice. I'll show you guys the back, the clear tails. The rear just brings out the car. Honestly, it's super nice. But let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of Hoffman's paint job? It's actually, I really like it, the color. It's just the outcome of it could have been better if he wet sand, buff and polished, so he could actually get the wet look. But other than that, it's really nice. So right now, we are gonna do Hoffman's leveling kit. It raises the car, or the Sequoia, by like 2 inches. So we're just doing the fronts right now. We're just doing the fronts, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna be doing the fronts, and that's it. Cause right now it's like 105 degrees, and it's like 7 right now. But we're gonna get it started. So Dallas did get the helpers. The bag helpers to tow. It helps tow, and it doesn't sag the actual rear end. Where's the leveling kit? Oh. So those bigger ones right there are the rears. These are the fronts. Very simple install. You just put it on top of your strut. So raise it by that much.
I would just run this over like.
So that's one. Put another one there. That's a big old wheel.
I think I got BO already.
Sheesh. So you basically put it right here, and that's about it, bro.
Bro, these things look pretty crisp.
Did the guy take off his upper?
No.
No, he left it?
No.
So he just took off the top and then the bottom?
Yeah. What you think about my ball joints though, man?
They're not that bad. They're just a little bit cakey. Oh, this is pretty bad.
Well,
it's pretty cakey over here.
dude, is this broken or is this supposed to be like that?
What?
The ball joint?
Oh, I see.
Oh, is that? No, that's the knuckle. I'm gonna go check that side. Hold up.
But yeah, you basically take these 3 bolts up at the top, and then you just take this big ass bolt, take it out, and then where is it? Mount this bitch on, and then you tighten it so it goes through these holes, and you tighten it from through here. You'll see right now. No. There you go.
Bro, this shit always confuses me.
So 3 14s and then 119. And let's just hope this thing comes out like everyone says it does.
Nah.
So much stress on it.
Yeah. Or do you think that'll put even more stress?
If we picked it up,
Lowered, like dropped it because
I feel like it'll be more stress because this is connected to the actual lower. We'll see, right? Right there. What the fuck? How did it get right here? Damn, bro, you gotta clean this bitch. That shit rusty as fuck. There you go.
Let's hope that's. There you go.
It's the easy thing is taking it out, bro. Putting it back. The hardest thing is putting it on and then installing it again because it's higher.
Alright, so. Damn, they have you doing the most freaking.
But maybe you do have to do it.
Yeah, maybe you do because like,
there's gonna be a lot of stress.
Yeah.
Because
we'll
with this thing on.
We'll see what happens, you know. All it is a sway bar, so.
That's it, boys.
It says loosen the lower control arm bolts too, but you know.
So you put these on. Actually, you put these on these. And use the stock ones with just on that one. So that's about it. And it's a leveling kit, brother.
Dude.
After that, they said to torque it down to 40 foot-pounds. You said 40 foot-pounds?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you see the stock ones on there. And these go with that one.
Spiders.
This shit dead, bro. You never changed the battery?
No, wait, just shut up.
So we just torqued it. We put it on a vise because we totally forgot we had one. So that was way easier than actually holding it. We were dumbasses, but so now we just put it in, and that's it, guys. Pretty much it. How to install a leveling kit. So we just got it in.
Dude.
On the bottom, right there. Now we just need to. It's looking pretty stressed the fuck out, brother. Now we just gotta push it down, huh?
Dude, this is too much of a lift, bro.
Put the 4 bolts in.
I'm about to take this shit out, return it, and get a smaller one.
Well, you think that's too big?
Yeah.
Nah.
Bro, what do you mean? This shit won't even touch.
Here, you want me here? I'm gonna push down. Here, let me push down something. So we just finished both sides, and hey, this leveling kit actually lifts it a decent amount, guys. Look at that. I put my whole ass head in here. That shit lifts it pretty. You said it's gonna go down a little? There's Gus Bus.
The car's gonna come down when they give you an alignment.
So that's it, and then compare this front to the rear. The rear's not on yet, though. Damn, just for a little one.
Because it's stating that it's a 4.5, 4-inch lift.
You said 4-inch? But yeah, dude, that actually looks. That's like a cheap way to kind of lift your car, right?
Just when it starts beeping,
That shit looks fucking high. We just need to do the rear, and she should be Gucci. You're a real white boy now, bruh. What the fuck? Did you fart? So we'll probably do the rears tomorrow because it is bothering Hoffman. Because you guys can tell it's kind of dark. Dude, that shit is way more lifted. I feel like all the weight of the Sequoia is going to the rear, so this makes it look super small. But it looks good. But anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be back with another video. Thank you guys for coming back and supporting the channel. Thanks, guys, and don't forget to hit up the Big Cartel. See you guys next time. Deuces.